Hello and welcome. We're gonna start solving PicoCTF web challenges. We're gonna solve the easy ones of web exploitation, and we're gonna go into the medium ones and the hard ones. We're gonna first start with here. I tried to start this, but it didn't work, so I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna go to this one. A developer has added a profile picture upload. This could be vulnerable to RC, I think, from reading that. It's present. Okay, we have to find where can we upload the file and find the hidden flag in the /root directory. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's choose a file. Let's try to upload any picture we have. Maybe this. And let's go into Perp Suite so we can intercept the request and see what we're really dealing with right here. Okay, let's send this. And let's send it via repeater. It's taking time, I don't know why. Okay, so it's been uploaded right here. Let's try just to upload a simple like PHP shell. We have this. What's in this? Okay, let's try to upload it. Is it really that easy? Bro, what? And cmd equals ls, maybe. Bro, this is okay. Let's ls/root. Let's see where it says permission denied. Maybe can do sudo. What the? Okay, we can then sudo cat /root/flag.txt. Bro, this is like, I mean, I already solved it, but I didn't know it's that easy. Okay, let's see this one now. heap-dump. Welcome to the challenge. You explore a web application and find. Okay, the application is a simple blog. I didn't get to read that. It's a simple blog website where you can read articles about various topics, including an article about API documentation. Okay, your goal is to explore the application and find the endpoints that generates files holding the server's memory, where a secret flag is hidden. Sure. Let's see this. About us, home, services. Okay. API documentation. This might be helpful. Welcome about API posts, post ID, heap-dump, diagnosing the memory allocation. This could be it. We can do /heap-dump. Oh, it's gonna take a bit. My internet's slow. Let's wait for it. Oh, download the file. Okay. Let's keep it. It's an 8 megabyte file. Wow. Let's see it in burp if we can. Okay. And we need to see this response right here. Wait. Let's search if the flag is in here. Oh, it was this easy. Bro, okay. It's solved. Let's go to the third one. We're gonna solve 3 challenges in a video until we finish the easy ones. Then we're gonna go to 1 medium challenge per video, and then the hard ones 1 per video. Okay, this is still not working. Let's go Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster, the cookie recipe somewhere on its website. Okay. Let's try admin. Access denied. Me no need password. Me just need cookies. Okay, I'm gonna check my cookies. Oh, wait. my cookies. I have this secret recipe. Okay, some things URL encoded right there at the end. Let's go to burp decoder. Let's try to decode this first. I think this base 64 and the other ones are, the other characters are the equal signs. But let's see the code as URL. Okay, I was right. So we're gonna go and replace this with this, and we can decode it as base 64. It's solved. Let's go and submit this, and yay,